embracing lightweight concrete, versatile, stylish, and perfect for any space. Lightweight concrete is revolutionizing the way we think about materials. Known for its versatility, durability, and aesthetic appeal, this innovative material is becoming a favorite for outdoor and indoor applications. If you are looking for an excellent option for outdoor furniture, check out lightweight concrete. This material is perfect for outdoor use and excels indoors, offering endless possibilities for home decor and furniture collections. Lightweight concrete combines practicality with style, making it a versatile choice for any collection. Discover the versatility and style of lightweight concrete, perfect for any space. Lightweight concrete is revolutionizing the way we think about building materials. Known for its versatility, durability, and aesthetic appeal, this innovative material is becoming a favorite for outdoor and indoor applications. What is lightweight concrete? As the name suggests, lightweight concrete is sometimes foamed and incorporates lightweight aggregates such as expanded clay, shale, or slate. These materials significantly reduce the density of the concrete, making it lighter than traditional concrete. Despite its reduced weight, lightweight concrete maintains excellent strength and durability, making it suitable for various applications. Benefits of lightweight concrete. There are several advantages to using lightweight concrete for manufacturing home decor and home furniture products. Let's explore some of these benefits. 1. Versatility. One of the standout features of lightweight concrete is its versatility. It can be molded into various shapes and forms, making it ideal for creating intricate designs and unique structures. This adaptability means it can be used for various projects, from furniture and decorative items to structural components and garden features. 2. Durability. Lightweight concrete is not only lighter, but also exceptionally durable. It can withstand harsh weather conditions, making it an excellent choice for outdoor use. Its resistance to cracking and weathering ensures that items made from lightweight concrete have a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements. 3. Aesthetic appeal. The aesthetic appeal of lightweight concrete is another reason it is becoming popular. It offers a modern, sleek look that can complement various design styles, from contemporary to industrial. Its ability to be stained, painted, or textured adds to its versatility, allowing customization to match any aesthetic preference. 4. Eco-friendly. Lightweight concrete is an eco-friendly option. The materials used in its production often include recycled content, reducing the overall carbon footprint. Additionally, its lighter weight means less energy is required for transportation, contributing to its environmental benefits. Lightweight concrete for outdoor applications. Here are some of the applications and ways lightweight concrete can be used. 1. Garden planters. Lightweight concrete garden planters are stylish and practical for any outdoor space. Due to their reduced weight, they are easy to move around, allowing for flexibility in garden design. These planters can withstand the elements and provide a stable environment for plants to thrive. 2. Outdoor furniture. Outdoor furniture made from lightweight concrete combines durability with modern aesthetics. Tables, benches, and chairs crafted from this material are functional and add a contemporary flair to patios, gardens, and balconies. 3. Water features. Water features such as fountains and bird baths made from lightweight concrete can transform any garden into a tranquil oasis. Their robust nature ensures they can handle continuous exposure to water without deteriorating, while their stylish appearance enhances the overall landscape design. Indoor applications of lightweight concrete. 1. Interior decor. Lightweight concrete is excellent for interior decor items like lamps, vases, and wall art. Its unique texture and finish can add a touch of modern elegance to any room, creating a stylish and functional focal point. 2. Furniture indoors. Lightweight concrete can be used to create stunning pieces of furniture, such as coffee tables, countertops, and shelving units. These items offer a sleek, minimalist look that can elevate the interior design of any home or office space. 3. Fireplaces. A fireplace made from lightweight concrete can become the centerpiece of a living room. Its heat-resistant properties make it an ideal material for this application, while its modern aesthetic provides a stylish look that complements various interior design themes. Mondoro, your partner in lightweight concrete solutions in Vietnam. At Mondoro, we understand the growing demand for lightweight concrete and its possibilities. Our expertise in this field allows us to provide customized solutions for both residential and commercial projects. Here's how Mondoro can help you with your lightweight concrete needs. If you are interested in seeing how Mondoro can be a valuable partner for your home decor and home furnishing products, we would love to talk to you to see how we can help you. Just email us at sales@mondoro.com or visit www.mondoro.com.